Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2016 Ducati Scrambler 62. This is Ducati's mid-size naked sport bike. This 62 has the 400cc L-twin fuel-injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This is the clean total California bike. Bike has only 4,598 miles on the odometer. This is a great mid-size bike. The 400cc engine makes good power. ABS brakes, has new tires. Bike has a low seat height of only 31 inch with an optional lower seat available. Good usable power. ABS brakes, lightweight. Bike only weighs 365 pounds dry. Anybody could jump on this bike and have fun. Great for the re-entry rider. Priced at only $59.99 with finance options available. Stop on by and check it out. Here's a 408